Hello dear friends, in this video we're breaking down and checking out the 5 best mirror dash cams for car on the market right now. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly mirror dash cam, we have the product for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started. Fifth product on my list, Jansite T59's touchscreen dual lens dash cam. The Jansite T59's 2.5K car DVR touchscreen stream media dual lens video recorder. Super night vision. The camera chip has a built-in night vision processing function, which allows you to record video even in low-light environment. Front camera design. With this thoughtful Jansite front lens design, you no longer have to worry about the rain sensor touching the DVR's field of view. Loop recording. Automatically overwrite the previous recordings with new files except locked files when the memory card is full. 170-degree wide-angle lens. The camera can comfortably monitor 3 lanes. This camera has no blind spots. Enjoy your journey and achieve accurate and detailed captures. Screen viewing angle adjustable. You can adjust the appropriate angle of view by long pressing the screen and moving your finger up and down. Automatic reverse safety parking. When the car is reversing, the device automatically switches to the rear camera image view through a 10-inch full mirror screen. It comes with high-quality images that help identify important details such as license plates, driver movements and road functions that may prove your innocence. Fourth product on my list, OBDPEAK A980's 4G Android car mirror dash cam. The OBDPEAK A980's 4G 10-inch Android dash camera for car. 10-inch ultra-wide-angle full-view touchscreen, capturing license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. Very clear and smooth images display, as like a stream flowing on the excellent WDR and auto-adjusting brightness streaming mirror. Smart operation system, built in Android 8.1. A variety of network methods are available. You can install more applications to meet various needs, and the device works more smoothly. RAM 2GB plus ROM 32GB. The latest upgrade version of 2021, RAM 2G plus ROM 32G. The system is smoother, support front plus rear one simultaneous display or software and camera display at the same time. The system is smoother. The advanced driving assistance system detects your surroundings and has real-time voice alerts to warn you of safety problems. 24-hour parking surveillance. Keep monitoring when you are away. The built-in G sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary and will automatically capture the moment of detecting collision after parking. Google Maps navigation. Navigate through the pre-installed navigation map or the navigator you download in the device. After connecting to the network, the device can also report real-time road conditions to avoid traffic jams. If you need other offline navigation maps, we can also provide downloads. Third product on my list, Pongki B430 12-inch night vision dash cam. The Pongki B430 1440-pixel dual lens night vision dash camera. 12-inch UHD 2.5K view touchscreen provides crystal image without any delay and reduces blind spots. Compared with other screens, bigger, clearer. HD night vision. Using image enhancement technology, it can automatically fill light, reduce image noise, and have clear imaging. It can capture license plates, vehicle colors, and record driving environment. 24-hour parking surveillance. Keep monitoring when you are away. G sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary and will automatically capture the moment of detecting collision after parking. Real-time reversing view. When reverse gear is engaged, the rear view mirror screen automatically switches the reversing image and displays the auxiliary line. Make blind spots all visible when reversing and warehousing. GPS system accurately records your driving data. Dedicated player. Playback display is more detailed, including time, speed, and coordinates. Outstanding image quality. 170-degree ultra-wide-angle. Capture license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. Support dual camera recording. Double vision live videos without any blind spot. 1:1 split screen display, providing all-round protection so you can drive with peace of mind. Super wide dynamic range image processing technology significantly improve image clarity by reducing noise and adjusting exposure balance when recording in low light or high contrast environments. Second product on my list, HGDO dual lens touch display dash camera. HGDO 12-inch rear view mirror camera Android 4G car DVR. 12-inch full-screen widescreen preview display. The high transparent 12-inch 16:9 LCD widescreen offers a broader view which enables you to monitor the whole road while driving. Full HD 1080 pixel video. Front camera captures full HD 1080 pixel video. Wide dynamic range allows the camera to perform optimally in any lighting situation by adjusting the exposure to create balanced images and footage. Full mirror display front video or image. Fully display back video or image. 3 split view of music, GPS map and video. Picture-in-picture display. 170-degree wide angle. With 170-degree wide angle lens, the camera monitors 3 lanes comfortably. No blind spots with this dash camera. Real-time display reverse parking view. Smart rear view angle switch between driving and parking. You could see all further vehicles and objects clearly behind you while real-time driving. Streaming video full touch display. The streaming video mirror improves roughly 4 times greater field of vision than a traditional rear view mirror. First product on my list, TAVIN D255 12-inch mirror dashboard camera. The TAVIN D255 4K front 1080 pixel rear view mirror dash cam. GPS tracking dash cam. The GPS module of the dual dash camera tracks your vehicle's location, route, speed on each drive, making it reliable evidence in case of accidents. UHD 4K mirror dash cam. Front 4K plus rear 1080 pixel resolution available. This D255 4K dashcam records stunning details, allowing you to capture everything from street signs to license plates. 12-inch IPS touchscreen. The dual dashcam front and rear with its 12-inch IPS touchscreen provides traffic and parking details in real time. You can also directly playback recorded videos on the device. With the parking assistant, it auto-displays the rear parking view as you reverse, ensuring safe and convenient parking. Multifunctional. Loop recording will overwrite the earliest unlocked footage when the microSD card is full. The built-in G sensor ensures it will automatically lock and store the video in the event of a sudden shock or collision. The parking monitor doubles as a surveillance camera while the vehicle is off. Sony sensor for night vision. The 4K dash cam with night vision features premium Sony sensors in the front and rear cameras for sharp nighttime video quality using his silicon processor, f2.0 large aperture, and WDR technology. Record a crystal clear and visible video in any situation day or night.